Ons het hier by die begrafnis van Chief Ndlete, een van die leiers van die Nyameni gemeenskap in die Oos-Kaap, wat 'n amptelike ooreenkoms van vriendskap met Oranje aangegaan het, met 'n gedeelde visie vir die selfstandigheid van kulturele gemeenskappe. Eintlik was nog al 'n lang diens gewees vir ons standaarde, maar baie aangenaam om hulle kulturele spin op 'n Christelike geleentheid te sien. Ons hoop om dat die vriendskap tussen ons onderskeie gemeenskappe nog lank sal gaan.
Good people of Nyameni, what a privilege is it to be here today. We share in the sadness of the passing away of Chief Siphiwe Ndlete, but we celebrate his life. We have dealt with him over many years, and we have fastened ties of friendship and working together in a way that enriched our community immensely. He reached out to us, say 15 years ago already, and during these years we learned more from him than he could have had from us. And we were accepted as if we are family. We are humbled by the generosity and by the openness of your hearts. I hope that this tie between Oranje and Nyameni will stay as firm as it is. Uncle Chestnut will always talk Afrikaans to us when we come here, and it is wonderful. We know where his wisdom came from. We know what a deeply religious believer he was, and we entrust his spirit to God. Thank you for your hospitality.
Oh,